And that's where we have our limitation. It seems like it doesn't even want to cross 55. It's just very, very limited. Very, very tight. What I'm gonna do is just pull it here. Perfect.
Wow.
Now, let's do one more time. And now, relax it out. Look up here to the left. Perfect. Did you feel that roll? That just like really opened up. I feel very, very optimistic
My
about
eyes
this.
popped up. Wow.
That's amazing. Let's do this one more time. Let's check this out. Let's turn your head all the way to the left, all the way, all the way, all the way. Look at this, 75, almost at 80 degrees. Let's go to the right.